Let everyone join. Many of you might be working professional. Many of you might be recently married. Many of you might be just in a job or in a government job, or you want to upgrade your government job, or you are in your masters. Whatever might be the case, bottom line is you have less time, and you cannot quit the preparation, right? So you cannot quit your job, rather, whatever it is that you are working on. So that is the problem. Okay. So that is the main issue, and so let us try to address it. If it is addressable, then we will discuss this. Okay. So that is what we are going to discuss, and let us get started. Strategy to crack UPSC CSE for working professionals. So really important strategy to crack UPSC CSE for working professionals. So let us discuss this. So many of you might be working professionals, so we will take the cases of all of you, and we'll try to see what best can be done in your case, and how it can be like absolutely great, and how you can go about cracking this exam, if it is possible, if it is not possible, whatever might be the case. Right. So let us see that what all can be done to crack this exam. Strategy to crack UPSC CSE for working professionals. Really important class. So let us get started. I hope everyone has joined me now. Can you just write Y quickly if you can hear me? Just write Y quickly if you can hear me. I'm turning off the questions for now, but we will open it in the last 15 minutes. All right. I'm turning off the questions for now. So there are like few questions: how to write answers daily based on editorials. Don't need to do it. And sir, I'm teaching for assistant state civil service. How should I prepare for IS? So teaching for assistant state civil service. यही काम है. See the perfect. Well, just go through it. What's the difference between person who cracked almost every exam and we are unable to handle only one? तो ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. एक ने सारे एग्जाम क्रैक कर दिए दुनिया के, और हमसे एक भी एग्जाम क्रैक नहीं हो रहा. Okay, so that is something which is we have to go through. What's the difference between the person who cracked almost every exam versus us who could not crack anything? Yeah, अच्छा question है. So let us see what is the actual difference. So let us get started. But before we move forward, if you are a working professional, then the number one thing which you can do is join an Academy Plus, and you can use my name as a code Roman Seni, and you'll get instantaneous 10% off. All right, just write Roman Seni, you'll get 10% off, whether on 1 year or 2 year. So the number one strategy which I always suggest to working professional is that quit your job if it is possible. All right, if it is possible, if it is not very important to you, if it is not like really important to you, all right, so you can just simply quit your job. All right, so that is something which you can go for. So you can just quit your job, so that is more than sufficient in this case. Okay. So yeah, you can just quit your job, that's it, if it is possible. Okay, otherwise obviously it is not possible in all the scenario. So but if it is not possible, then since the number one thing which you have to remember is that just accept the fact that you are going to study while doing a job. Is it absolutely clear? A lot of people say that this is not possible, that is not possible, we should not be doing this, we should not be doing that. So the number one strategy is you can quit the job, or if you are not able to quit the job, then just accept the fact that you are going to study while you are doing a job, right? Either of these two realities is correct, right? सो फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स कभी भी आप कंप्लेन नहीं करने चाहिए कि ये जॉब है, फलाना है, ये कभी कंप्लेन मत करना आज के बाद लाइफ में, ठीक है? सो डोंट एवर कंप्लेन कि either you quit your job or you accept the fact that you're going to study while doing a job. So don't do anything else apart from these two things. Can everyone write why if you agree with me? See, either you can quit your job today or you can just accept the fact that you're going to study while doing a job. You can't say कि बाकी सारे लोग तो 9 to 5 जॉब करते हैं और उसके बाद रिलैक्स करते हैं, वीकेंड्स पे वो झुमरी तलैया जाते हैं और लोनावला जाते हैं और मसूरी जाते हैं, और हम यहाँ बैठ के हिंदू और योजना ही करते रहते हैं, राइट? योजना ही बनाते रहते हैं कि हिंदू को कैसे पढ़े. So just accept the fact that you're going to study while doing a job. Okay, and stop thinking or feeling guilty about not leaving the job for dedicated study. So this also I've seen a lot of aspirants, they keep on saying ki we can do this, we can do that, blah blah blah. So you have to stop thinking or feeling guilty about not leaving the job for dedicated study. All right, is it clear? It's just a sheer waste of time, that is all it is. Do you agree with me? So don't feel guilty about anything in life, even if you are 28 years old. Do you know half of the time 28-year-old person who is starting the UPSC preparation, they just keep on comparing themselves to people like Tina Dabi, etc., who started when they were 18, 19, right? मतलब उनकी जिंदगी का आधा टाइम तो इसी में चला जाता है कि काश हम भी पहले चालू कर लेते 18-19 के टाइम पे, तो हमारा भी थोड़ा बेटर चांस होता. नॉट रियलाइजिंग द फैक्ट दैट दे आर again destroying the same thing, right? Like why they did not prepare earlier, they are also not preparing right now. Okay, so this is very very important. Okay, so how many of you actually do this? So this is a very very important learning for all of you, that if you are, let's say, 26, 27. So if I'll give you another example, ठीक है, एक और example इसका आप ध्यान से सुनना. So someone who is from, let us say, a tier 3 college or tier 2 college, so in that case they will keep on saying कि काश IIT के टाइम अच्छा पढ़ लेता, या काश बोर्ड में अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाते तो IIT में होता, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में होता, या काश नीट का पेपर अच्छे से देता तो डॉक्टर होता. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो क्योंकि उनके चांस ज़्यादा हैं क्रैक करने के, वट एवर नोशंस यू हैव इन योर हेड. सो पहले भी नहीं पढ़ाई करी और अब फिर से पढ़ाई नहीं करते, तो सेम थिंग यू आर कीप ऑन रिपीटिंग इन सर्कल्स इन योर एंटायर लाइफ, राइट? बस यही चलता रहता है. अगेन लाइक अनदर एक्सक्यूजेस कि योर मदर एंड फादर डिड नॉट गाइड यू वेल इनफ व्हेन यू वर यंग, तो तब उन पे ब्लेम डाल दिया. अब इस बात पे ब्लेम डाल रहे हो कि पहले आपने एग्जाम क्रैक नहीं किया. सो बेसिकली वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स कैन क्रिबल लॉट कि हमारा मैनेजर ऐसा है, हमारा वो वैसा है, हमारा काम वैसा है, हम ऐसे घर में क्यों पैदा हुए जहाँ पे काम करना पड़ता है, राइट? सो दीज आर लाइक नेवर एंडिंग थिंग्स. आई विल जस्ट बी वेरी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विद यू, एंड it will really never end. That is also true. So it's up to you, how do you take it? Okay, so never you compare yourself with others who have a lot more time to study. Okay, and each person's journey, each person's motivation is different, so please remember this. Is it absolutely clear? See, half of the game is just about accepting that you are a working professional, and it is impossible for you to give like 14 hours a day. It is impossible for you to give 14 hours a day. And if you cannot accept that fact, if you don't accept the fact that you have less chance of cracking the exam than someone who is studying for 14 hours a day and have similar IQ, then you are already gone. Okay. Anyone who let's say you have same IQ, same motivation, I also have same IQ, same motivation, and but I am a working professional, you are a full-time person. Okay, I study for 5-6 hours a day, you study for 14 hours a day. It is but obvious that you have higher chance of cracking the exam, right? तो common sense है ना कि आपका ज़्यादा chance होगा exam crack करने का, मेरा उतना नहीं होगा. Okay, बट उसमें मैं परेशान नहीं होऊंगा. आई विल नॉट टेक इट टू माई हार्ट कि बस मैं आधे टाइम बस ये सोचता रहूंगा कि आई एम फीलिंग गिल्टी अबाउट इट दैट आई कांट क्विट माय जॉब एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. इज इट क्लियर? So half of the battle is just psychological. Please remember this. You have to realize that you cannot feel guilty throughout the day, and if you can quit your job, that should be the number one strategy. And if you cannot quit the job, then just like basically it's like boxing mein when you get punched. So either you quit it, right? Either you basically wave the white flag and saying that you can't fight in the boxing match anymore, or you just basically suck up and just basically go on, right? वहाँ पे परेशान भी हो, लग गई, बहुत जोर से लग गई, आंख फोड़ दी, झगड़ा तोड़ दिया. You can't do that in the same time, all right? So this is like really really important, and please remember this. So you will be feeling down and out. हो सकता है कि sometimes you are being asked to work long hours and that day you did not study at all. So that can create huge issues for you. So there is no such thing as an ideal strategy, and even a normal topper strategy might not work for you. Is it clear? Ideal strategy, normal topper strategy, they will not work for you, and you have to develop your own during preparation process. This is very very clear. Because जो normal topper strategy होती है, they are basically meant for people who can study for 12 to 18 months, right? And those who can devote 8 hours in the beginning, which means 56 hours a week, and then it can increase to 12 hours per week, which basically means 84 hours per week, and then basically taking to 100 hours a week. All right. So that is the topper strategy, which usually revolves around 8 hours per week, then 12 hours per week, and 1-2 months before the exam, 100 hours a week. All right. Now it is impossible for you to give 100 hours a week. It is literally impossible for you. So there is no such thing as an ideal strategy for working professionals. Most of the things, family is important, but it is very, very important that you absolutely remove social interactions as far as possible, and beware of naysayers. This is again like really, really important. Okay. So beware of, there are a lot of them out there. Avoid them as much as possible and befriend like-minded aspirants who are preparing with job. All right. So it will be a great idea if you can have like-minded aspirants who are preparing along with the job. Okay. So it will be like a really, really great idea if you can prepare with those kind of aspirants. Now, again, like another piece of strategy is, first, if you can quit the job, then nothing like it. Then the second piece of strategy is at least try to cover 40 hours a week. If you cannot do 40 hours a week, then it is better to quit the UPSC preparation. Is it clear? If you cannot do 40 hours a week also, then it is better to quit the UPSC preparation. That is what I would suggest to you, because this is just 5.5 hours a week, right? Per day, 5.5 hours per day. It is very, very less. Okay. This is the bare minimum which is required for you to crack the exam. 40 hours per week से तो नीचे मतलब सोचना ही मत. Now this can be divided into weekdays where you can give, let's say, 4 or 5 hours a day. So 20 to 25 hours during the weekdays and 15 to 20 hours during the weekends like Saturdays and Sundays. All right. Is it clear? So Monday to Friday you can give 20 to 25 hours and 15 to 20 hours you can give during the weekends like Saturday, Sunday. Clear? Hai? So I'm pretty sure it is clear. So if you cannot quit your job, then don't waste too much time on it and give 40 hours a week. Okay. 40 hours a week is the golden principle. Okay. Now the third point is that try to utilize your office hours well. Okay. So for example, let us say lunch 1 घंटे का होता है, right? All right. कई बार होता है ना एग्जाम के बीच में, वी ईट लंच इन 3 minutes ऑल्सो. हुआ है कभी आपके साथ कि पूरा लंच आप 3 मिनट में खा गए या 5 मिनट में खा गए? हैज इट एवर हैपेंड टू इन योर एंटायर लाइफ दैट यू एट योर लंच इन लेट्स से 10 minutes? हैज इट हैपेंड कि आप 10 मिनट में पूरा लंच कर गए? नहीं. मस्ट हैव हैपेंड, राइट? So rather than wasting 1 hour of your time, it will be very great that if you, instead of wasting your time during that time, and just eat your lunch in 10 minutes, and for rest 50 minutes you can cover the Hindu, right? And if you don't want to study the online version of the Hindu, you can just go for some summary courses as well. So that is also absolutely fine. So समझ रहे हो ना point? So either you can quit your job, then you can give 40 hours a week, and then instead of, let's say, wasting 1 hour in your lunch time every day, do it in 10-15 minutes, and rest 45 to 50 minutes you can devote it in studies, right? लेजिट चीजें बता रहा हूँ ये. देखो थोड़ी परेशानी तो होगी, बट ये काफी मैं भी करता था, बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट अ वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल, बट टेक्निकली आई वॉज अ वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल ओनली, राइट? इंटर्नशिप करते थे वहाँ पे, यहीं से 15 मिलते थे और ये सब करना पड़ता था, बट इट्स कंपल्सरी पार्ट ऑफ आवर प्रोफेशन. एवरी डॉक्टर हैज टू गो थ्रू इट. So I was technically a working professional when I cracked it. All right. I was a college student also and a working professional also. You can say both the things. So I used to utilize this lunch hour really, really well. Okay. समझ रहे हो ना point? So study the Hindu during this time, and do not study current affairs in your self-study time. All right. So never study current affairs when you are doing in. Never study current affairs in 40 hours per week. Is it absolutely clear? See, 40 hours per week is your own time where you are studying for your own self. Okay. So उसमें current affairs कभी मत पढ़ना. Current affairs and utilize your commute well. Commute समझते हो ना? कम्यूट का मतलब होता है बस में जा रहे हो, टैक्सी में जा रहे हो, उबर में जा रहे हो, ओला में जा रहे हो, मेट्रो में जा रहे हो, पैदल जा रहे हो, वट एवर इट माइट बी द केस, ड्राइव कर रहे हो. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू नेवर ड्राइव and you basically utilize Uber, Ola, or metro or bus or something like that, and use basically this for this can be utilized very well for the Hindu summary, etc. Okay, so the Hindu summary can be finished here. Lunch time में you can revise very very fast. ठीक है, समझ रहे हो ना point? So these 5 points I would have used myself also. Then sixth point is do not study new concepts in office hours. ठीक है, so new concepts in office should not be studied. All right. So what I would rather do is revise during office hours. समझ रहे हो? Is it absolutely clear? So if you have free time, if you get free time as much as possible, try to extract this free time so you can easily quickly revise during the office hours. Absolutely clear? Is it absolutely fine? So new concepts in office, revise during the office hours. Very, 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 very important. Okay, sir. Is it absolutely clear? So new concepts in office is not something which I would suggest you do in your free time. Do you agree with me? Can you reply why? Now this office can mean your college also, all right? It can mean an internship also, and it can mean anything at all. Let's say if you are a newly wedded person, then give like minimal time in your daily chores, etc. Try to study as much as possible. Let us say you have a child recently, so the same concepts will apply there also. Is it absolutely clear? Same concepts will apply there also, which I'm trying to say. First point is quit your job if it is possible. For example, let us say you are planning to get married in next 6 months. All right. So I would suggest that don't get married in next 6 months. Is it absolutely clear? So that is what I would suggest, that don't get married in next 6 months. Rather get married after 2 years or 3 years if it is possible. Simple सी बात है ना. First thing is avoidance at all, very easy, right? So quit your job, give 40 hours a week. It is very, very important. 20 to 25 hours, okay? In the weekends from Monday to Friday, 15 to 20 hours, no, weekdays, and 15 to 20 hours on weekends, Saturday, Sunday. Then lunch 1 hour, then never study current affairs, 40 hours a week. मैं बिल्कुल कभी नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए उसको, हमेशा कम्यूट को में पढ़ना चाहिए, मेट्रो वगैरह में इधर उधर. So that is the strategy which I would follow personally. Then there is no way that you can understand new concepts in office. Then revise during office hours. Then have faith that you will crack the exam. Is it clear? So have faith that you will crack the exam, but also realize that you have slightly less chance of cracking the exam. Okay? Now it is not a, let's say, politically correct statement to demotivate you, right? हमें यहाँ पे demotivate कर रहा है, रोहन ने बोला हमारा चांस कम है, होता कौन है बोलने वाला, right? Do you understand? So the point being is you have slightly less chance of cracking the exam. Then always take, if it is possible, 1 week to anywhere within 2 months leave before the prelims examination. Is it absolutely clear? So you can just do this. This is the time to take the leave. All right. So, and you can take like 1 week leave before, 2 months leave before the mains exam also. No need to take leave for interview. Okay. So depending on how it is. So 1 week to 2 months leave, if it is allowed, then at least take 1 week leave before the prelims examination. All right. And 1 week to 2 months leave before the main examination. So this is something which I would like strongly, 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 strongly suggest to you. ठीक है, तो इतना तो कर ही लेना मतलब. All right. So if you can follow these like 7-8 points which we have discussed, now let us talk about this. You have very less time during the weekdays, right? So you should make every second count, and for this you have to be super organized. So make a timetable, stick to it. And a working professional should avoid social media like plague. All right, is it absolutely clear? So working professionals should avoid social media like plague. Like I would strong suggestion from my end that social media तो touch ही मत करना. It's just a black hole. Is it absolutely clear? Black hole समझते हो ना? उसमें आप मून को डाल दो वो गायब हो जाएगा, आप उसमें अर्थ को डाल दो अर्थ गायब हो जाएगी, आप जुपिटर डाल दो जुपिटर गायब हो जाएगा, आप सन को डाल दो सन गायब हो जाएगा. अच्छा कितने लोगों के साथ हुआ है? चलो ऑनेस्टली, चलो ऑनेस्ट खेलते हैं. कॉलेज में कुछ ऐसे दोस्त होते हैं ना आपके, जो दोनों साथ में आते हैं फर्स्ट ईयर में. मान लो कि आपने 2009 में कॉलेज किया 2013 से, तो कुछ लोग वन डे पे रिलैक्स हो जाते हैं, सोशल मीडिया, गेमिंग एक्सेट्रा दीज थिंग्स. सो कई बार 1 घंटा चला जाता है, पता ही नहीं चलता. हुआ है ऐसा आपके साथ, दैट यू आर ऑन योर फोन, 1 घंटा चला गया, पता ही नहीं चला? हैज इट एवर हैपेंड टू यू दैट यू डिडंट इवन रियलाइज दैट? ओके, कई बार पूरा पूरा दिन वेस्ट कर देते हैं हम, राइट, लाइक ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स एक्सेट्रा, लेट्स से ओटीटी वीडियो स्ट्रीमिंग, ऐसा भी होता है ना, कई बार पूरा दिन चला जाता है, राइट, कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि पूरा वीकेंड खत्म हो गया, राइट, राइट, पूरा फ्राइडे को आए शाम को और सैटरडे संडे बिंज वॉचिंग कर रहे हैं और ढंग से सोए भी नहीं है, और मंडे का भी पता नहीं चला, राइट, हुआ होगा कई चीज़ों में। कई लोगों का पूरा वीक चला जाता है, कई लोगों का पूरा मंथ चला जाता है, कई लोगों का साल चला जाता है, कई लोगों की डिकेड चली जाती है, और कई लोगों की लाइफ चली जाती है। समझ में आ रहा है पॉइंट? But it is like a black hole. Is it absolutely clear? It is like a black hole and it is never fulfilling. Is it absolutely clear? You do meditation for half an hour. All right, listen to this statement. You do meditation for 6 minutes, you do meditation for 15 minutes, you do meditation for half an hour. It is very fulfilling, right? Afterwards, isn't it? It is very fulfilling. You feel very satisfied, you feel very calm. Okay, after that 6 minutes or 15 minutes or 30 minutes, right, koi, let's say, I hope you are understanding, let us say you've closed your eyes and like you are getting, okay, so these are very fulfilling things, right? On the other hand, if you watch a movie for 2.5 hours, so you are basically going through roller coaster of emotions, right? So when one movie ends, you always want to watch the second one, right? Isn't it? And when second one ends, you want to watch the third one, and it's a black hole. It never feels you like you are never satisfied. So just remember this. So that is also some strong advice. So stay away from distractions at all. If you are not married, then don't get married as long as your UPSC preparation is going on. Strong advice, all right. If you are overweight, don't try to lose weight. Uh, if you are a smoker, then don't try to basically quit your smoking habit at the same time, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी आप दो चीज़ों में फंसे हुए हो। ऑलरेडी आप एक वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हो और यूपीएससी प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, तीसरी चीज़ मत उठा लेना, ठीक है? So avoid social media as you have already very less time and you will not be able to dedicate more than 4 hours after working for 8 to 9 hours. Is it absolutely clear? So that is why I wrote 20 to 25 hours. Can you see? 5 days में मैंने लिखा था 5 into 4 20 hours, मैक्सिमम इतना ही दे सकते हो। और 1 घंटा मैं लंच टाइम में आपकी जगह होता तो मैं लंच टाइम में ज़रूर निकाल लेता। जब मैं कॉलेज में था तो मैं लंच वंच में काफ़ी पढ़ लेता था बहुत इजीली, सो आई यूज्ड टू स्टडी, ठीक है? तो लंच में मैं 1 घंटा पढ़ाई हो जाती थी उस टाइम पे, काफ़ी सही। सो मैं जल्दी से भाग के आ जाता था 1-2 मिनट में, और फिर वहीं रूम पे खाना खा के और फिर 40-50 मिनट पढ़ लिया। कई बार रूम पे भी नहीं जाते थे, सीधे लाइब्रेरी में घुस जाते थे। नाउ लेट अस सी, now timetable, you can split out the daily hours like before and after work. So this is something which a lot of working professionals follow. Is it clear? So this is something which a lot of working professionals follow. So before hour, you should spend at least 2 hours for general studies. Okay. And after work, you should dedicate this for optionals. If you want, you can accommodate first 2 days for general studies, next two for optionals, but never neglect optional. A lot of people say that एक बार pre निकल जाए फिर optional पढ़ेंगे, right? Is it clear? So एक बार pre निकल जाए फिर optional पढ़ेंगे. This is the worst possible strategy which you can ever have. Okay, there is no way that you can study optional after prelims. ठीक है? होगा नहीं, कुछ selection नहीं होगा, आप time बर्बाद कर रहे हो अपना। Subconsciously many people are okay with time wasting, right? आपको उसकी शक्ल पे दिखा होगा कि अगले 6-8 साल बर्बाद होने वाले हैं, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो फाइन विद इट कि चलो मम्मी पापा से कौन झगड़ेगा, इससे अच्छा तो 6-8 साल बर्बाद कर दो, राइट? So you can split out the daily hours like before and after work. Before work, you should spend at least 2 hours for general studies if it is possible. Try not to study current affairs during your self-study time. Okay, so that is not something which I will recommend. So during work, this is the time where you can use smartly. Okay, so whenever you get break from work, read current affairs, news analysis, PIB. You might get 45 minutes to 1 hour. Make the most use of this period. Okay, and you can glance current affairs while traveling. So this is also which I would strongly recommend. And revise what you did in the day. Give it at least 30 minutes to revise properly. All this can be done. By the way, I am taking a science and technology course also. So you can go for my science and tech course. You can go for my environment and ecology course. You can go for prelims 500 most important topics GS. And I'm also launching a perfect strategy course. All right. So this is the fourth course which I will be launching very soon. There is an essay and answer writing course already. So this course will basically start from 6th of November. All right. So 6th of November. So you can just use my name as a code Roman Sani, and it will give you an instantaneous 10% off. Okay. So 5th November say I'm starting my environment and ecology course. It is one of my best courses, and then you can use my name as a code Roman Sani, and then you can go for 2 years also. Again, use the code Roman Sani, and you'll get an instantaneous 10% off if you want my course. By the way, which city are you guys from? कौन कौन सी सिटी से हो आप लोग? एक बार लिखोगे वहाँ पे कहाँ से सुन रहे हो? Right now, which city are you in? बैंगलोर, पटना, दादर नागर हवेली, भागलपुर, कोलकाता, धनबाद, जयपुर, कानपुर, सिलीगुड़ी, पटना, अलीगढ़, कोटपुतली, बिहार, देहरादून, ईटानगर, दिल्ली, सूरत, पांडिचेरी, मुंबई, देवघर, मुरादाबाद, विशाखापट्टनम, दून, चंडीगढ़, लुधियाना, इलाहाबाद, भुवनेश्वर, मसूरी, रांची, पूरा इंडिया ये इम्फाल, मणिपुर, त्रिपुरा, बोकारो, इम्फाल, बाड़मेर, रेवाड़ी, रोहतक, दिल्ली, भागलपुर, अलीगढ़, बीकानेर, कन्याकुमारी, झांसी, काठमांडू, जम्मू, लद्दाख, लातूर, कश्मीर, लखनऊ, जालंधर, पूरा जम्मू कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी, गुजरात से ईटानगर, सारा कवर्ड है यहाँ पे. Anyway, so entire India is present here right now. Okay, so this is great. Okay, so you are all representing India. Reply why if you like learning like this rather than going to a physical center. Do you like learning like this more? Just reply why fast if you rather than actually going to a physical center, wasting a lot of time. So it's a great opportunity for working professionals that you can join all these courses or an academy, and it's very easy for you to crack the UPSC exam if you actually follow these strategies, right? Now Saturday Sunday is usually completely yours. It can be 6 days of working also. In that case, it will be very difficult for you to crack the exam. So Saturday and Sunday is completely yours. You should compensate weekdays preparation over here. डोंट थिंक कि भाई वो तो जो वीकेंड पे पढ़ने वाले हैं उनको तो वीकडे मिल जाता है और ये सब मत सोचना. इज इट क्लियर? डोंट एवर थिंक अबाउट इट कि भाई कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स या फिर मान लो कोई फुल टाइम पढ़ रहा है तो उसको लगेगा कि वो तो वीकेंड और वीकडे उसके लिए तो एक बराबर है. अगेन लाइक डोंट हैव एनी गिल्ट फीलिंग व्हाटसोएवर, अदरवाइज इट विल क्रिएट ह्यूज इश्यूज फॉर यू इन योर लाइफ. ठीक है? सो this is very very important, so please remember this. Saturday and Sunday is completely yours, and you should compensate weekdays preparation. You should dedicate whole 2 days exclusively for preparation. There are no excuses. So start the day by glancing the whole week preparation, and you must dedicate 10 to 12 hours. Okay, so you must dedicate 10 to 12 hours into this. Keep one day for GS, keep one day for optional. It's up to you. देखो मुद्दे की बात ये है कि दिमाग आपको अपना सबसे पहले अगर एग्जाम क्रैक करना है, चाहे वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हो चाहे कोई भी हो, आपको ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपको अपने ब्रेन को फोकस लाना बहुत जरूरी है. इज इट क्लियर? And guaranteed way of focus is doing 30 minutes meditation. Is it absolutely clear? Do you know how to do meditation? Do you want me to tell you how to do meditation? Guaranteed way. If you don't have focus in your life, and ज्यादातर आप लोगों की यही प्रॉब्लम है ना कि आप आधे घंटे बैठ के पढ़ते हो, उसमें भी 15 मिनट ये सोचते रहते हो कि धोनी रिटायर होगा कि नहीं, आईपीएल कब आएगी, मूवी रिलीज कब हो रही है, मम्मी ने दिवाली पे कौन से लड्डू बनाए हैं, राइट? आधे टाइम तो यही चलता रहता है आपके दिमाग में. यस और नो? और यही आपकी लाइफ की सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. पिछले 20 साल से यही प्रॉब्लम है. पहले तेंदुलकर के बारे में सोचते थे, फिर कोहली के बारे में, फिर धोनी के बारे में. आपकी पूरी जिंदगी ऐसे निकल जाएगी, बस नाम चेंज होते रहेंगे, राइट? ध्यान से सुनना. अभी पूरी जिंदगी निकल जाएगी, वैसे नाम चेंज होते रहेंगे. अच्छा, अब ये मूवी निकलनी है, फलाना मूवी निकलनी है. कोई बॉलीवुड, क्रिकेट, पॉलिटिक्स, इन तीन चीजों के बीच में खोकर के इंडियंस 90% टाइम वेस्ट कर देते हैं, राइट? बॉलीवुड, क्रिकेट और पॉलिटिक्स. डू यू एग्री विद मी? एक फेस्टिवल्स और जोड़ लो इसके पीछे, बॉलीवुड, क्रिकेट, पॉलिटिक्स एंड फेस्टिवल्स. 90% कॉन्वर्सेशन विल रिवॉल्व अराउंड दिस: बॉलीवुड, क्रिकेट, पॉलिटिक्स, फेस्टिवल. सो द मेन प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट दैट यू डोंट हैव आवर्स, या आपकी पढ़ने की इच्छा नहीं है, या आपको मोटिवेशन नहीं है, या ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, राइट? सी, मैरिज इज नॉट an important topic because you only get married once, right? So only in a few years, 2 3 years, you will get affected, right? whether you are 15-year-old or whether you are 85-year-old, can you talk about Bollywood? Whether you are 15-year-old, 85, we'll talk about Bollywood, right? We'll talk about cricket, whether you are 15 or whether you are 85, right? Whether you are 15 or 85, we can talk about politics. Whether you are 15, 85, we can talk about festivals. So that is the main problem. Focus can come only and only when you are 30 minutes a day. That's it. Just do 30 minutes. And there is, like मैंने आंसर राइटिंग का आपको एक तरीका बताया था, राइट? द बेस्ट वे टू मेडिटेशन इज, जैसे मैं अभी बैठा हूँ चेयर पे, कैन यू सी दिस? जस्ट शट डाउन ऑल द स्टिमुलस. सो इस रूम में अभी मेरे पास क्या है? मेरे पास एक ये वॉच है जिसमें आई कैन सी, आई हैव अ फोन हेयर, आई हैव अ मैकबुक, आई हैव अलेक्सा. ये चार चीजें हैं मेरे पास. तो इन सब चारों चीजों को बाहर फेंक दो. ऑलराइट, इफ यू वांट, I'll give you an example. Anything which did not exist 100 years ago, you can keep it with you. All right. Anything which has been created in last 100 years, which can be distracting. Let's say table तो पहले भी थी, right? Table was always there, right? समझ रहे हो? So just go for it. Don't do this. Just sit on a chair. No need to even close your eyes also. Okay. No need to close your eyes. This is a big mistake which people do. No need to focus on your breath also. Is it clear? No need to focus on your breath. No need to close eyes. कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. बस चुपचाप आधे घंटे बैठ जाना है. Is it absolutely clear? बस ऐसे बैठना है मूर्ति की तरह. And you can just think about whatever the hell you want. And you cannot have any gadget, any electronic device. Just like how you are sitting in a UPSC exam hall. UPSC exam hall is a very good analogy. So you don't have your mobile phone, you don't have a laptop, you don't have a tablet, you don't have internet, anything, right? So just sit for half an hour a day. This will be the biggest investment you will do in your entire life. Even if you don't crack the exam, you will be able to do, okay, great things in life. Even if you don't crack the exam, you will have such a high focus that you will be able to crack anything in life. Okay? And you can think about whatever you want. You can think about Bollywood, you can think about cricket, you can think about politics, you can think about festival. Is it clear? जो आपको उस आधे घंटे में सोचना है सोचो. No need to control, focus on your breath. No need to like think about closing your eyes. You do whatever the hell you want. ठीक है? अब ये मत करना वो बुक पढ़ने लग गए, कुछ स्टिमुलस नहीं हो सकता. पता चला खाना खा रहे हैं बैठ के आधे घंटे, ये सब नहीं करना. तो चुपचाप आधे घंटे बैठना है. दैट्स इट. ओके. एंड योर ब्रेन विल स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू यू. ओके. सो दिस हैपेंस विद मी. सो इट स्टार्ट्स टॉकिंग टू यू आफ्टर 30 days. वो आपस में बात करने लग जाता है कि यार ये प्रॉब्लम है, इसको सॉल्व करते हैं, ये प्रॉब्लम है, सॉल्व करते हैं, ये बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. ठीक है? इट टेक यू लाइक 30 days ऑफ नॉन स्टॉप, 30 to 60 days डिपेंडिंग ऑन पर्सन टू पर्सन. सो नहीं, लेटे लेटे नहीं हो सकता. सो जाओगे आप लोग, आलसी हो, मेरे को पता है, नींद आ जाएगी. सो डू इट लाइक सिटिंग ऑन अ चेयर. अभी से ही मतलब शॉर्टकट्स चालू हो गए. हाँ, दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. यू पीपल विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू इट. 95% of you will not be able to do it. You would rather spend 8 hours on Netflix than doing this for half an hour, because that is easy. This is not so easy. Okay. I'm just asking, this is meditation is basically art of doing nothing. Okay. So you cannot be doing anything. That is all I am asking you to do. So can you do nothing? Can you do nothing for 30 minutes? There is no focus, there is no pranayam, there is no अंदर बाहर श्वास और ये सब कुछ नहीं करना है. आंख बंद करके और शवासन कुछ नहीं करना है. Just don't do anything. That's all. And trust me, whether you are a working professional, because you have less time, you need more focus, it will definitely lead to huge changes, humongous changes in your life. All right. So this is something which I would strongly recommend you to do. Okay, so can you go through this, what I just told you? Just do it once. Okay. So for prelim, and obviously no one should be present in that room. पता चला दो दोस्त मिलके मेडिटेशन कर रहे हैं. You can't do that. Okay, एक दूसरे की शक्ल देख के हंसते रहोगे, ये सब मत करना. ठीक है? So no one should be known present in that room. All right. हाँ, वो लगे अरे यार तू मेडिटेशन करेगा, शक्ल देखिए अपनी. मतलब जब भी कुछ करने लगते हो नया, so they will be like अरे तेरे से यूपीएससी निकलेगा, शक्ल देखिए अपनी. ठीक है? So just stay away from people like that, very toxic people. तेरे से हो लिया भाई, तेरे से ना हो पाएगा. So don't be with people around like something like that. Anyway, so for prelims, the rest of the strategy is same for every aspirant. But I would suggest that for working professionals, you can even give tests in your office hours and commute. Is it clear? So office hours and commute ke beech mein you can even think about giving a lot of tests. So that is what I would have done. So 12th point would be giving tests in office. All right. So if you can do that, then nothing like it, because so let's quickly revise it before we move forward, right? Do you want to revise quickly the points which you have discussed? So see, the first thing first is you try to quit your job if it is possible. Quit your job. Don't think twice. But if it is really not possible and you are in financial domes, then basically it will become a huge issue for you. Okay? Then you can't. There is no point of quitting anything. Then let's continue and let's not be guilty about it कि हमारे पास उतना time नहीं है. All right. And 40 hours a week is more than sufficient. So 40 hours a week is something which you can do. All right. So 20 to 25 hours from Monday to Friday, 15 to 20 hours on Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So first of all, quit your job. Then 40 hours per week, 20 to 25 hours on Monday to Friday, 15 to 20 hours on weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Then lunch is for 1 hour. All right. Is it clear? उस लंच में लेट्स ट्राई टू मैक्सिमाइज इट. ठीक है, जितना ज़्यादा एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सको, मतलब पढ़ते पढ़ते खाना खा लिया करो. ऑलराइट, आई हैव डन दिस मल्टीपल टाइम्स. पढ़ते पढ़ते खाना खा लेता हूँ, राइट. सो यू कैन वॉच माई क्लास एंड ईट ऑल्सो, राइट. इजंट इट? आप आराम से मतलब खाना खा सकते हो, राइट. मेरी क्लास देखते रहो, जैसे वीडियो देखोगे कोई घटिया सा यूट्यूब का जो आपको 5 मिनट के बाद कभी लाइफ में याद भी नहीं रहेगा, राइट. सो कुत्ता बिल्ली को हक कर रहा है, ये सब नहीं देखना होता यार लाइफ में. ठीक है, लोग यही देखते रहते हैं. पेड़ बड़े हो रहे हैं, ओके, वो उसको हक कर लिया, ह्यूमैनिटी रिस्टोर हो गई. कोई डियर लॉयन के चंगुल से बच के निकल गया, ह्यूमैनिटी रिस्टोर. अरे क्या बकवास कर रहे हो, मतलब ये सब आपकी लाइफ है, उसको कंट्रोल में लो. दीज आर ऑल जस्ट न्यू एज ड्रग्स, समझ रहे हो ना. These are all just new age drugs to get you addicted. You have no idea how much addicted you are right now. Okay. Try to live without all this YouTube, Netflix, Hotstar, cable TV for 1 month. Then you will realize what I'm talking about. Unacademy पे आओ, अपना पढ़ना है तो पढ़ लो, right? You understand? You don't need to go to YouTube for that, right? अपना पढ़ लो unacademy.com पे, यहाँ पे आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. But you are so much addicted, you have no idea to this PUBG and gaming and sugar. It's very, very bad for you, all these things. And the fourth point is never study current affairs in this 40 hours a week. Okay, समझ लो. So never study current affairs during 40 hours a week. This is very, very important. Okay, during those 40 hours a week, try to cover your general studies, try to cover your optional. So that is what you should cover. Then commute well. So commute really, really well. Okay. और उस टाइम पे कम्यूट वेल का मतलब है जैसे आधा घंटा आपको आने में और आधा घंटा जाने में लग रहा है, तो अपने फ़ोन पे अनअकैडमी चालू कर लो. ठीक है, और वहाँ पे मेरा पूरा एक लेक्चर रिवाइज कर लो, एनवायरनमेंट का, साइंस एंड टेक का, GS 500 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स का, ऐसे राइटिंग का, आंसर राइटिंग का, एक्सेट्रा. देन नेवर स्टडी एनी न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट्स इन ऑफिस, बिकॉज ऑफिस में जैसा माहौल होगा आपको ब्रेन को फोकस चाहिए. ओके. करंट अफेयर्स आप लंच टाइम में पढ़िए, जो आपका ऑफिस आ रहा है उसके बीच में पढ़िए, कम्यूट के टाइम पे पढ़िए. बट जब आप घर पे बैठ के अपना खुद के पर्सनल टाइम में है उस टाइम पे नहीं पढ़िए. ओके. सो न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट्स इन ऑफिस इज स्ट्रिक्ट नो नो, एंड रिवाइज ड्यूरिंग द ऑफिस आवर्स. ऑलराइट. So this is very, very important. Then have faith, but just know that it might not be possible that you have a very great chance of cracking the exam. You will have slightly less chance. Okay, do have faith, but don't have like unnecessary faith. Before the prelims 100% make sure कि एक हफ्ते पहले तो जाना ही नहीं है. Is it clear? Is it clear? एक हफ्ते पहले तो जाना ही नहीं है एग्जाम से पहले, कुछ भी हो जाए चाहे, वरना एग्जाम क्रैक करने में दिक्कत हो जाएगी. तो एक हफ्ते से 2 महीने की तो लीव लेनी ही लेनी है. फिर एक हफ्ते से 2 महीने की लीव मेन से पहले लेनी है. तो दैट इज ऑल्सो रियली रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड फाइनली टेस्ट यू कैन गिव इन ऑफिस. ओके, सो दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच आई वुड स्ट्रांगली रिकमेंड. ठीक है. Now let us talk about how to make notes. Right? Because you are a working professional and you have very less time. समझ रहे हो? Because you are a working professional, you have very less time. Test sources always, like you can go for an Academy Plus. So that will be very very beneficial to any working professional for that matter. Less time है, so you don't no need to make any notes. Is it clear? पहले try to cover the syllabus at least once. No need for any notes for now. When you're revising for second third time, then make like bare minimum notes. All right. So just go for bare minimum notes. Don't try to extend it at all. So just go for bare minimum notes. ठीक है सर? Just bare minimum notes is something which we need, and nothing more than that. So working professional, less time hota hai, so there is no need for notes. Bare minimum notes. Okay, so this is like really really important. So this is something which I would recommend. Then go for an Academy Plus for sure. So here you will find all the top educators. There are 70 to 80 educators. They will cover your entire topics. And earlier क्या होता है, बुक पढ़ना बहुत दिक्कत होती है, राइट? जब आप ट्रैवल कर रहे होते हो, मेट्रो में होते हो, बस में होते हो, कैब में होते हो, पढ़ने में आंखें दर्द करने लग जाती है, जैसे मैं नहीं पढ़ सकता. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट इम्पॉसिबल फॉर मी टू रीड अ बुक और अ न्यूज़पेपर व्हाइल आई एम कम्यूटिंग अनलेस इट्स अ मेट्रो. ऑटो में धक्का बुक्का लगता रहता है. But let us say you just put your headphones on and start in your mobile phone. This is like a blessing for all the working professionals if you go for an Academy Plus, and you will find all the courses. Okay, so complete courses. Okay, so please remember this, very very important indeed. समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो क्या? So you can go for all these courses. You will also have a test series. You will find my courses. But मेरे अलावा और 80 educators रहेंगे. Someone is asking for a code, so you can just use my name as a code Roman Sani and you will get a 10% off. All my courses will be available. All other educator will be available. Test series will be available. Everything is available under the sun. So you can just go for it. ठीक है? So prelims, just stick to syllabus. Don't waste any time. Cover basics by NCRTs, but you don't need to read NCRT to cover NCRT. How many people understood this statement? कितने लोगों को समझ में आया? You don't need to read NCRT to cover NCRT, right? जैसे for example, when you study my science and tech course, you don't have to study science NCRT, right? When you study my environment and ecology course, you don't have to study my environment like anything related to NCRT from that. When let us say you cover some good educators course on an Academy Plus, you don't have to go through the NCRT for that particular subject. So that is very pretty clear, pretty straightforward. By this time, you have enough idea about what to study, what to leave, etc. Now for mains exam, you can start practicing answer writing once you have covered some NCRT reference book. But I would suggest one answer a day. All right, is it clear? So one answer a day तो minimum लिख ही लेना. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया. You can just download the previous year question papers from UPSC website, and that should be more than sufficient to solve your doubts, isn't it? समझ में आ रहा है? So you can just download from the UPSC CSC website. You can Google it. You can do whatever the hell you want. कुछ भी कर लो, जो आपको करना है कर लो उसमें. So that is very easy, very very straightforward, and yeah, just go for it. So you can start practicing answer writing once you have covered NCRT's reference books, and you must have formed your opinion of basically your own and skills like how to correlate static with dynamic subjects. ठीक है? And you can think डे ड्रीमिंग पता है आपको? डे ड्रीमिंग पता है कि आज रात को दाल मखनी बन रही है, राजमा बन रहा है, राइट? आज रात को बढ़िया सोऊंगा, 3 दिन से सोया नहीं हूँ अच्छे से. अच्छा वो एसी ठीक हो गया कि नहीं, वो 16 डिग्री कर नहीं पा रहा. आज डोमिनोज से पिज्जा मंगाएंगे, डाइट कोक के साथ पियेंगे, राइट? सो दीज आर ऑल लाइक टिपिकल एग्जांपल ऑफ डे ड्रीमिंग. ऑलराइट, सो इंस्टेड ऑफ थिंकिंग लाइक दैट कि भाई ये रिटायर होगा कि नहीं और ये पिज्जा आएगा कि नहीं, you should rather think about how you can connect static portion with dynamic portion. Okay, can this question come in UPSC? If it comes in UPSC, what will be my 15 keywords and phrases, right? This is how my mind used to work कि भाई अगर ये क्वेश्चन आ गया एग्जाम हॉल में, लेट अस से क्वेश्चन आ गया, तो मेरे दिमाग में क्या 15 से 20 कीवर्ड होंगे. ओके, कैन यू डू दिस प्रैक्टिस? दिस विल बी लाइक रियली रियली बेनिफिशियल फॉर वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल. ऑलराइट, तो आपको कोई भी कीवर्ड दिया, कोई भी ट्रिगर दिया आपको, तो उस पे आपको 15 से 20 कीवर्ड डालने ही पड़ेंगे. ओके, so let us say government has taken huge leaps and bounds to improve the health care of the common masses in the country. Can you enumerate a few government schemes and how they have benefited the masses? आप पॉइंट समझ रहे हो? तो मान लो जैसे ही ये किसी ने आपको ट्रिगर दिया, तो इमीडिएटली आपके दिमाग में 15-20 कीवर्ड आ जाने चाहिए, राइट? सो जैसे कि है प्रधानमंत्री, कौन सी योजना? सबसे पहले क्या लिखोगे? हेल्थ पे क्या लिखोगे बताओ? आयुष्मान भारत को क्या बोलते हैं? PMJAY, Ayushman Bharat, right? You can even write, let's say, schemes. There are so many schemes like midday meal scheme, Janani Shishu Suraksha Karyakram. Okay, so many insurance schemes and whatnot, right? Do you understand? तो immediately मेरे दिमाग में 15 से 20 keywords आ जाने चाहिए. Point समझ रहे हो? So this will keep you on your toes. Without doing the answer writing practice, you can do mental practice. ठीक है? तो जैसे आपने मान लो आंसर राइटिंग तो करा नहीं, बट आपने जैसे एक क्वेश्चन पढ़ा और उसका आंसर नहीं देखा, उसको ऐसे कवर कर लिया और जल्दी से सोचा कि क्या वो 15 से 20 पॉइंट्स हैं या क्या वो 15 से 20 स्टेटमेंट हैं जो मैं जल्दी से बोलूंगा तो मेरा जो दिमाग है वो रजिस्टर कर लेगा. समझ में आ रहा है पॉइंट? दिस इज अ ह्यूज एक्सरसाइज विच यू कैन डू एंड लाइक इट विल डू वंडर्स फॉर योर कॉन्फिडेंस. कोई भी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर देखा, अच्छा क्या 15 से 20 कीवर्ड्स आएंगे इसमें, अच्छा क्या 15 से 20 कीवर्ड्स आएंगे. ठीक है, so aim for writing at least one question on weekdays. On weekends you can write 4 because again you are a working professional. So go for already available online resources. If you are still not part of Unacademy Plus, join Unacademy Plus. It is definitely be a boon for all the working professionals out there. So no need to go for like these huge books, voluminous books. All right, these books can be used as a dumbbell. समझ रहे हो? So these books can be used as a dumbbell. if अगर जिम में बुक खत्म हो जाए तो इक्विपमेंट ना हो तो उतनी भारी भारी होती हैं, राइट? So don't study them. Keep your resources as less as possible. This is something which you can go for. Now again, this is very very important. No need to make any notes in your first revision. Is it clear? First revision में ज़रूरत नहीं है. So make concise notes of whatever you are reading day to day basis पे, but not in the first revision. All right? Is it clear? पहले एक बार अपना फर्स्ट पूरा खत्म करो, फिर जब सेकंड टाइम उसको रिवाइज कर रहे हो, then only do something. Otherwise, if you are very very bad and your syllabus is not at all complete, I would not recommend you doing this at all. बिल्कुल भी recommend नहीं करूँगा मैं. The note should be very crisp to the point so that it will be useful for revision. Do not leave anything for the future. You will not be able to read them at all. समझ में आ गया? So make concise notes of whatever you're reading day to day. Notes should be very crisp to the point so that it will be useful for revision. Do not leave anything for future. You will not be able to read them at all. Is it absolutely clear? समझ में आ गया? So now you can have it as a backup. Okay. So job can give you that satisfaction. So the one satisfaction which you have which others don't is that you have a backup ready. Okay, so just use this for your own advantage. And you have to sticking to routine is very very important. 40 hours a week is something which is the golden mark. Okay, so 40 hours per week is a very very big golden mark. So I want all of you to hit this 40 hours a week golden mark. Okay, at least try to hit it on a daily basis. Now I'll take your questions quickly. Sir, is high eyesight power a problem in the selection? It depends on IAS वगैरह में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. सर एनसीईआरटी पढ़ते पढ़ते एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्राइसिस में चल एनसीईआरटी पढ़ने में थोड़ी एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्राइसिस में जाते हैं, बड़ी बुक्स पढ़ने में जाते हैं एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्राइसिस में. तो एनसीईआरटी में चले गए तो थोड़ी समरी वगैरह कोर्स वगैरह देख लो. दैट विल बी मच बेटर फॉर यू. सर ऑफिस आवर्स में ओनली करंट अफेयर्स ही पढ़े एंड 30 मिनट्स योगा वाले टाइम में मन में रिवाइज कर रहे हैं तो ठीक है ना. ऑफिस आवर्स में करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ लो, थोड़ा बहुत जीएस भी पढ़ लो. 30 मिनट्स योगा वाले टाइम में कुछ रिवाइज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ओके. Is it possible to crack CSC 20 if I study from now? This question always come. whether I'm taking class 10 years ago, when I take 10 months ago or 10 days ago, this question always comes. It is virtually impossible to crack the CSC right now if you are an absolute beginner, but yeah, you can still try for 2021. How I forget someone due to this reason, I would not focus on my study. मैं बुलाओ जितना जल्दी हो सके आगे बढ़ो अपनी लाइफ में, कुछ पढ़ाई वढ़ाई करो, कुछ बनो, इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. 2020 विल बी लास्ट अटेम्प्ट, आई एम फीलिंग डिप्रेस्ड, इट विल हैपन. देखो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट वाले ऐसे डिप्रेस्ड रहते हैं कि भाई पहली अटेम्प्ट है क्या करें. दूसरे तीसरे वाले ऐसे होते हैं कि फर्स्ट में नहीं हुआ, लास्ट वाले भी डिप्रेस्ड है. हर कोई डिप्रेस्ड है. दैट्स ऑल आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. यू डोंट हैव टू फोकस ऑन दैट पार्ट. जस्ट रिलैक्स, जस्ट चिल. Final year student, should I go all guns blazing for 2020 or prepare your 2021 mind? Always study for 2020, but if you are not confident, then don't go for the preliminary examination, go for 2021. But always prepare for 2020 in mind. I work in police department where I have duties in night, shifts in late night. So what can I do in such sensitive duty? So दिन में पढ़ लो. अगर रात में आपकी ड्यूटी है तो दिन में पढ़ लो, रोका किसने. It is equally beneficial. Okay. करंट अफेयर्स इन 40 आवर्स में क्यों नहीं ऑफिस में द हिंदू नहीं होता सर. सो बाय द ऑनलाइन सब्सक्रिप्शन एंड रीड इट इन योर लैपटॉप, इट्स वेरी इजी. घर पे आई वुड रादर फोकस ऑन जनरल स्टडीज एंड ऑप्शनल. सर आई वाज मेनी पीपल, प्लीज गिव मी अ satisfactory आंसर. हाउ टू प्रैक्टिस डेली आंसर राइटिंग यूजिंग एडिटोरियल्स. You don't have to do that. So first of all, start with the previous year question papers. All right. And if you really want to do answer writing, just frame one or two questions out of the editorial if it is important, and just write 15 to 20 keywords. That's it. First, develop this knack of writing 15 to 20 keywords. If you cannot generate this 15 to 20 keywords, Google it. And if you cannot Google it, then go for Hindu editorial. कुछ पढ़ो, कहीं से आंसर निकालो. Otherwise, it will not be possible for you to write in. How to be zeroing in? You can just watch some of these classes. Okay. So if the timing is not matching, you can watch the recorded classes. So for example, this class will be available as in a recorded version. So there are a lot of courses. I agree. That is a good thing. It is not a bad thing. You can choose whichever you want. Okay. So if don't match timing with online classes, yes, there are some alternative options like watching the recorded class. Sir, can you please conduct a lecture on how to carry out daily answer writing practice in editorials? Don't have to do it. Do it based on previous year question paper. Just write 15 to 20 keywords. That's it. सर आई जस्ट वांट टू से थैंक यू. आपकी वजह से मुझे बहुत अच्छे चेंज आए माइंडसेट में. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. फ्रॉम विच सब्जेक्ट शैल आई स्टार्ट माय स्टैटिक पोर्शन, ज्योग्राफी और हिस्ट्री? ये कोई मतलब वो आपके इस लाइक आस्किंग कि मेरे बेटे का क्या नाम रखूं, आदित्य रखूं कि दीपक रखूं? अरे जो मर्जी रखो, उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर. टिप्स टू क्लियर यूपीएससी सीएससी 2020 पूरा यही तो बता रहा था. डेबिट कार्ड पे ईएमआई, आई डोंट थिंक सो. क्रेडिट कार्ड पे है, बट वी आर वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट. Test for cracking 2021. Okay, we'll do it once. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Clearing 2021. World existential crisis of studying. So get out of that. Okay, you have to get out. No one will help you. Otherwise, you will not be able to help. How to avoid daydreaming and staying in future. So stay in present. Focus on your content. Focus on your class. Focus on me right now. Avoid this. This is very very bad for your life. Okay. How to improve making opinions on daily basis for exam purpose. That's what I'm saying. Just close your eyes and think about it. Write 15 to 20 keywords and they should match of whatever you're doing. So 15 to 20 keywords should be able to do it. Okay, so that is how you should start. But initially, how to start preparing for UPSC? Is reading NCRT sufficient or not? इनिशियली इट इज गुड बट मतलब बट एनसीईआरटी से यूपीएससी क्रैक नहीं होता सर, बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता. कोई ऐसा बोले तो उसकी बात पे बिल्कुल भरोसा मत करना. ठीक है. सो नेवर एवर एग्री टू देयर वर्ड्स. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी बैड, बट या इट्स अ गुड स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. 12th में 2 बुक है सर, 11th में 2 बुक है. कौन कौन सा पढ़ना है? आई मेड अ वीडियो ऑन विच आर द इम्पोर्टेंट एनसीईआरटीज ऑफ इकोनॉमी. यू कैन जस्ट गो थ्रू इट. Please suggest me for healthy how much time spent on Academy Plus. See, eyes are perfectly healthy. There are a lot of coders which code for like 12 hours a day. There are a lot of gamers who play for 20 hours a day. Sometimes, on an average, they'll be playing for 8 to 10 hours. You can just do this exercise. Just take this and just like do it like this. Okay. Anyway, आप टीवी देखते तो यार पूरी बिंज वॉचिंग करते रहते हो नेटफ्लिक्स की, तब याद नहीं आती इसकी. इतना कोई ऐसे डेट्रीमेंटल इफेक्ट है नहीं. I am completely into UPSC preparation, so is it necessary to make notes on current affairs or the Hindu? Obviously, yes. If it is, if you have a lot of time, then go for it. It will be really great for you. Please, sir, suggest me for healthy. How much time? It's the same question. डेली टारगेट वाइज शेड्यूल में टाइम वाइज शेड्यूल दोनों होने चाहिए. टाइम वाइज तो होना ही चाहिए कि मिनिमम 8 से 10 घंटे पढ़ेंगे, और टारगेट वाइज भी होना चाहिए कि 8 से 10 घंटे में ये पढ़ेंगे. So daily Hindu plus NCRT is till November mid, then daily Hindu plus GS1 optional in December. No, no, this is a very bad idea. मतलब, if you are preparing right now NCRTs for the first time, then I would suggest that rather give in 2021, because exactly 7 months are left. Should one believe in astrology? I think you should believe in astronomy. That is what I believe in. What is the difference between the person who cracked almost every exam versus us? They are very focused. They want to crack the exam. They're doing it for themselves. They have the right strategy. They have the right resources. They are not emotional. How to read NCRT, how to make notes from it. I've already covered this a lot. Can you give consulate prep strategy of 2021? Right now, I'm making a course on 2020. Afterwards, we'll launch a course on 2021 also. In January 2020, I'll launch a course on how to prepare for 2021 prelims. Which and how NCRT should I read? I've already covered this. Sir, my target is Indian Economic Service and Academy Plus helpful for this exam. Yeah, so we don't have specific things for it, but yeah, go for it. Why not? So I'm not sure about this exam, but I've not seen the syllabus in detail. Yes, I've heard about it. So state BSc exam and Academy Plus for preparation होती है. Yes, 100%. You have to go for some different subscription. Almost all the major state PSCs are covered. Strategy for first year student. I've covered a video on like college students how to go about it. How to read NCRT, make notes from it, NCRT कौन सी पढ़नी है. Shadow allowed in UPSC if anyone have one is full hand. Yeah, it is allowed, but they'll just ask some questions. If it is, then you just give the answers. That's it. How to complement an academy video self-study. So whichever educator you have, so they will usually give you some or the other options. Okay. So just go for their homework, whichever is there. How to read NCRT and make notes from it. I am first year student IIT Patna. How to read NCRT from a subject shall I start static portion. Start from anything. Second year of graduation, first year of graduation, how to improve quantitative part. Just go for some questions on CSAT paper 2, that should be more than sufficient. 4-year strategy for CSC. Anyway, so I just told you it's very, you have to be ruthless. Ruth Angel, you have to be ruthless. Thank you, Rohit. Thank you, Sharad. How to read NCRT, make notes. I've covered this in like ample number of times. You don't have. Yes, it is there. This is all covered. Okay. Sir, can answer writing practice from day one of preparation? Yes, it can be practiced. It can definitely be practiced. यूपीएससी में लक भी काम करता है क्या? कर जाता है कई बार. इफ यू आर लेट्स से गेटिंग 90 मार्क्स, आपके दो तीन सही हो गए तो 100 आ जाएंगे. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपके आ रहे थे 25 मार्क्स प्रीलिम्स में और 100 आ गए. ठीक है, ऐसा हो सकता है 105 आ रहे थे 95 आ जाए, लक बर्बाद हो जाए, आप आउट हो जाओ रेस से. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि 90 आ रहे थे 100 आ जाए, आपका क्रैक हो जाए. राइट, इतना लक चल जाता है, बट उसके बियॉन्ड नहीं जाता. Tips for medical student. I'm in which year should I preparation? Right now, start it right now. Please make a video on approach to economy. I've already covered it. Super Prelims Lakshmikant is good or not? Yes. क्या प्लस में 100% यूपीएससी सिलेबस कवर किया हुआ है? Yes, yes, 100% by all the top educators. Downloaded classes are available on PC. Okay, we'll discuss it. How to get rid of comfort zone by actually doing something which is not in your comfort zone. Do it on a daily basis and then you will be great. 29-year-old serving major in the army starting position. Whatever shall be ruthless. Yes, yes, go for it, sir. Go for it. Don't worry about it. Sir, will it be okay if we skip the art and culture portion of history? Consider I am not paying history optional. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. क्वेश्चन आते हैं प्रीलिम्स में. Don't ever do it. Ever, don't ever do it. So I'm from IF doing routine shift like morning then afternoon. So just go for it. Now it doesn't matter when you study in day or in night. It will possible. All right. Okay. Great to hear you. Please do conduct. Yeah, every week we conduct these classes, and yeah. So guys, thank you. It was pleasure talking to you. If you are going for an Academy Plus for my course on environment and ecology, which is starting in exactly 10 days from now, you can just use my name Roman Seni as a code. So thank you, and have an awesome day.